Dolly XL. It's a 3-in-1 stair climber. It's a folding cart and a backpack, and it basically can carry anything and everything anywhere that you'd like. Why? Because did you see those 3 wheels on each side? Those wheels help you go upstairs, downstairs, across all different types of terrains. And this is the very first time ever that we were able to make that detachable bag into a backpack. So if you're making it for a camping trip, maybe you're doing something like laundry and you need that backpack to go into the backseat of your car, it's easier than ever before to now lug anything around with your Trolley Dolly. And today we have it for you at the lowest price that we've seen, $11 on a credit card. Now watch this, right? Like, when would you ever be able to go with any regular cart downstairs like this? And it's from this moving action. Now, this is the lowest price I've seen this. I want you to see how this just goes over any surface, hard surfaces. There's the carpet, but imagine maybe this is grass. Maybe it's, you know, some sort of like cobblestone driveway. We've got it for you in color choices. We've got a lot of upgrades that we're gonna show you. Here is our blue. We also have it for you in the gingham check. And then we also have it for you in the purple. Now, your item number is V83099. Diana Seedstead is here with me. Diana,
hello.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
I am so excited that you're back with the XL.
Yes.
Bigger and better than ever.
Bigger and better. This is the top of the line Trolley Dolly. This is beloved by teachers. This has been here at QVC for like 20 years, but this is the top of the line.
Listen,
so
we've sold 16,000 of this upgraded version alone.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So what we've done is added the backpack strap. So this is a true 3-in-1. You can use the backpack bag by itself. Then it detaches here with hook and loop on the top, and then a trolley sleeve. So that's how you attach it. And then look, I can just put this on. Maybe I'm going to a picnic. Maybe I'm going to the park.
Yeah.
Got this all filled up. This is going to hold up to 65
This was
pounds.
like the size of my grammar school backpack.
Yeah.
I was that kid that carried every single textbook home every single day.
Yeah.
I already have an update for you.
Okay.
400 already checked out of their shopping carts and picked this home. Now, if you want the buffalo check, I have fewer than 400 remaining.
Oh, wow.
That's the most popular one, so you don't want to wait. If you want the purple, 450 remain. If you want the blue, we have a few more there. V83099. Check out and get this home. All right, talk to me about this new platform.
You have the Dolly. So the Dolly itself, on a flat surface, will support 200 pounds.
That's awesome.
So there you go.
That's also a step stool then.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. You've got the stair climbing wheels that you were showing, which I love because it gives a lot of stability. When you have something heavy on here, with a traditional Dolly, you'd only have 2 wheels on the ground.
Yeah.
So you kind of end up fighting with the weights.
And
this
you
gives
wouldn't
it a
get
lot
this
of
kind
stability.
of leverage
Plus
either.
it has that kickstand, which is nice too. Notice the platform, it's our largest platform, also clears the wheels. So as you saw in that little video clip, like a big box, things that you can put will clear the wheels, so you've got, you know, that nice big platform space.
Look at this. How heavy is this, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm that person that I never like carrying,
one.
right? Like these things.
Right.
But how heavy is that? And look, it fits across. I can take that. I can go up the stairs. Oh, you know what? No problem now getting from the garage
one-handed
into the kitchen, and I can bring it any direction that you want. One-handed on this soft padded handle.
Yeah, the handle, isn't it really nice? It's
It is
like
nice.
Ergonomic, it's soft, so those heavy loads. And then the Dolly folds up basically in half, very, very simply. So I like to just step on the front here, lift it up, and then the handle folds in half. So this is all you have to keep in your car. Maybe you hang it in the garage, but you can always have that Dolly at the ready, whether it's a big package, maybe it's the bird seed, the dog food, the big 5-gallon jug of water, or the water bottles.
You know, maybe it's the laundry, maybe it's bringing the stuff to the pool.
Yes.
From, you know, because a lot of people have their pool really far from like the house and stuff like that.
And you wouldn't have to worry about putting wet towels and things in this bag.
Packages that you got to bring back to like the UPS offices and things like that, the post office.
And things. Maybe you're just going on a picnic. I love it for the laundry bag. You know, my daughter's in college. She's on the 3rd floor. The laundry's in the basement.
Oh my gosh.
I'll tell you, we used the Dolly moving her into college. The other parents were like, what kind of magic do you have going up and down those stairs?
Well, because let's talk about the size of this bag.
It's huge capacity.
So we've got one over here on the set. We'll show it to you in a second, but I want to show you the color choices really quickly first, okay? Because we've got a lot of people checking out of their shopping carts and picking this up. If you want it in the purple, we have it for you in the purple, final 400. If you want the buffalo check, $375 to go around. Blue is super popular as well, $850 to go around there. The 83099 is your item number. Over 800 checkouts for their shopping carts already made.
Yep.
I want to talk to everyone. Yeah, so you're showing the capacity again.
Yep,
Weight.
200 pounds, 75 pounds going up and down the stairs, but 200 pounds on a flat surface and
And then look at
65
how big
pounds
this
in the
bag is.
bag. You want to see? We could actually do a little crumb
Yeah,
cart.
okay,
This
yeah,
is
let's do it.
filled with laundry. So,
Oh, wow.
I mean, look at how much stuff is in here. It's kind of like the Mary Poppins bag. You can just keep going.
Well, look at how many towels. My gosh, that's like for a family of 20.
Sheets.
Oh my gosh.
So you can really fit a lot in here. Plus the bag has 8 compartments. It has a drawstring. You've got zipper compartment inside. You've got a compartment on the front, the sides. They've even thought of everything. It has a little place for your umbrella on the back as well.
And it's
So
a
you've
great
got zipper.
quality too.
Yeah, kind of like that luggage backpacky material, but so many places to put your phone, your wallet, your keys, everything that you need. And then you just close it with the drawstring closure. And there you go. And then, of course, you can take it off.
If you got it for the laundry alone.
Oh, right.
If you got it for the trips to the grocery
the
store
dolly alone.
Yeah,
honestly,
exactly.
Every hausehold really needs a good dolly. And to have one that goes up and down the stairs is really amazing because no matter where you're going, hauling something from point A to point B, you are likely to encounter a curb, a stair from my garage into my home. I have 2 steps.
By the way, keep going 1 second,
Yeah,
okay?
sure.
Because I want everyone to see. Do you see that's a tight spot for her to now turn? She can turn really easily and go up the stairs from there. And that's the beauty of the Trolley Dolly. That's the reason why we've sold over 460,000 Trolley Dollies right here at QVC over the last years. And that's why this specific model, we've sold over 16,000 units. I remember the very first time that we presented this, right? I was super impressed with all of the upgrades. Even this handle that has all this extra padding on the top now.
Because it's not gonna hurt your hand. Those are so heavy. And that is like backbreaking for me to try and bring big heavy water bottles or like the dog food I buy in 25-pound bags, taking the bird seed maybe just out to the bird feeder, mulch around the house. There's so many things that we just need a really good dolly for. And the fact that it's got the stair climbing wheels and it's so sturdy and folds in half, so you can always have it with you.
All right, so listen, we've got it for you in color choices. Lots of people are picking this up tonight. It's a today only price, or one time only price. This price goes away at midnight tonight, just like a today special value. There's your purple. Here is the buffalo check or gingham. 250 now remain there. And if you want the blue, that is available as well. $11 on Easy Pay, the 83099. Diana, you got invited to the party.
I know, right?
I'm excited to be here. Thank you so much. And good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck with everything.
Get some towels. Don't forget your towels.
I know. I'll bring those.
I know, and lots of towels.
This is something that I asked for, and it was so funny because Rachel and Alberti and I were going through the show.